Starting a blog and earning money through blogging involves several steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Choose a niche. Select a niche or topic that you are passionate about and have expertise in. It could be anything from travel and personal finance to health and technology. Choosing a niche you're interested in will make it easier to create engaging content. Step 2. Decide on a blogging platform. Choose a blogging platform to create your blog. Popular options include WordPress.org, self-hosted. WordPress.org is recommended for its flexibility and control over your. Step 3. Get a domain name and hosting. Choose a domain name that represents your blog and is easy to remember. Purchase a domain name and sign up for a reliable web hosting service to make your blog accessible on the internet. Step 4. Set up your blog. Install WordPress, if using WordPress.org, and set up your blog. Customize the appearance with a suitable theme, add essential pages, about, contact, and set up relevant plugins for additional functionality. Step 5. Create high-quality content. Start creating valuable and engaging content. Write informative articles, how-to guides, product reviews, or share experiences related to your chosen niche. Step 6. Optimize content for SEO. Learn the basics of search engine optimization (SEO) to optimize your blog posts for search engines. Step 7. Promote your blog. Promote your blog and its content through various channels, such as social media, email newsletters, and online community. Engage with your audience and respond to comments to build a loyal readership. Step 8. Monetize your blog. Once your blog starts attracting a significant audience, explore monetization methods, display ads, sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense, and display ads on your blog. You earn money based on ad impressions and clicks. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale generated through your referrals. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands and write sponsored posts or in exchange for payment. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, course printables related to your niche. Memberships/subscriptions. Offer premium content or exclusive. Step 9. Track performance and analytics. Use analytics tools to track your blog's performance. Analyze your traffic, user behavior, and content performance to make data-driven. Step 10. Keep learning and improving. Stay updated with blogging trends and continuously improve your writing and content creation skills. Engage with your audience and seek feedback to refine your blogging strategies. Remember that blogging takes time and effort to build a substantial income. Stay consistent, focus on providing value to your readers, and be patient as you grow your blog's audience and monetization opportunities. 0 comments.